Oh, I thought I told you to take the trash out and scrape the rest of that coon carcass off the bumper. Do you want some dinner or not?
I will, honey pox. Can't you see I'm playing video games? I'm almost at the end and I'm gonna win.
Beau, you're about as worthless as a commode without a pull chain.
Oh, right in the beak. Jayleen, you just ruined my game. I was this close to winning.
Say, Beau, what's all the hollering about? You two fighting again? I swear you two make them Hatfields and McCoy look sweet as possum pie.
I swear, one of these days, Jayleen, bang, boom, buried in the back room.
I heard that, Beau. You man enough to back that up?
Yeah, well, I'll show you man enough.
See here, Beau, I have a new game, perfect for dealing with some of that anger. It's called Mike Tyson's Punch-Out.
Mike Tyson? Wasn't he that boxer who bit part of another guy's ear off?
That, and he beat a couple old fellers up over a fender bender. And then there was that old lady he punched in the face and stole her groceries.
Well, I think I may have done that once or twice before, too. Put the game in. Let's give her a try.
First, I have to put in the special code. It allows you to quickly fight everyone. So you get right to Mike Tyson.
Say, is that darn pig? Heck yeah. I'm gonna enjoy taking him out. Take that, you no good dirty pig.
All pigs are dirty, Beau.
You know what I mean, Jethro. He's going down. This little piggy went wee, 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 all the way home. Knockout.
Go, Beau.
Kaboom!
Sock it to him, Beau.
Uppercut!
All right, let's see who's next.
Oh man, he knocked me out in no time at all. That Mike Tyson is crazy. I wish I could be as mean as him.
Hell yeah, you assault enough women and the elderly and you eventually get to be a movie star. Beau, I'm tired of this whole video game crap. I've had it with you. You're as worthless as a eunuch in a whorehouse.
Now, Jayleen, you listen here. I just took on Mike Tyson. You better not start with me.
Oh yeah? Hand me that confounded video game controller.
Prepare to die.
Oh my, how'd you...
Dang, Jayleen, that was pretty good. Now I said get outside and scrape that coon carcass off for dinner. You get your ass outside now.
Oh, what are we doing this here for? All she did was win at a video game. Let's go, Jethro. Let's go for a drive.
Gosh, I don't know, Beau.
That's it, Jayleen. I'm not doing this. I don't care if you did win at that video game. Why bother with a dead raccoon anyway? Probably tastes better raw than if you cooked it.
Oh yeah, Beau! Watch me scramble your brains! Now you'll be drinking your coon carcass through a straw.